gentlemen, as agreed upon, we shall now proceed with statements by the participating member states in alphabetical order with due regard given to the level of the speakers. I have on my list 14 speakers. May I now invite the first, His Excellency Mr. Masud bin Momen, Ambassador and Permanent Representative of the People's Republic of Bangladesh, to the rostrum to deliver his statement.
Thank you, Madam Vice President, representing the President of the General Assembly, venerable monks and also members of the monastic community present here, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Vesak Day to you all. Let me first offer my condolences to the people of Sri Lanka affected by the floods and mudslides in recent times. Today we gather here to honor, rejoice and reflect the significance of a unique sacred day, the birth, enlightenment and passing away of Lord Buddha. I am humbled to be part of today's program and would like to take the pride as Lord Buddha was born and preached his teachings in our part of the world. Further, I would like to thank on behalf of the Permanent Mission of Bangladesh to His Excellency Mr. Virachai Plasai, Permanent Representative and Ambassador of Thailand, and His Excellency Mr. Amrit Rohan Pereira, Permanent Representative and Ambassador of Sri Lanka, and their colleagues for organizing this year's celebration. Gautama Buddha's teachings of peace, compassion, goodwill, equality, and love for all helped him to achieve nirvana, the enlightenment, and moved millions of people across nations. The teachings of Lord Buddha for harnessing a culture of peace are the foundation of every society for sustainable peace, equality, fairness, compassion, and justice. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, historical records show that Buddhism, which spread from the Indian subcontinent, was well established in the present-day Bangladesh as early as in the 3rd century BC. Over centuries, Buddhism has indeed made deep impression on our social, cultural, spiritual, and intellectual lives. We are humbled by the fact that the largest Buddhist monastery or Vihara on the south of the Himalayas was located in the northern part of Bangladesh in Paharpur. We share the relics of Lord Buddha with countries like Thailand, Nepal, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and other neighbors. Madam President, ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh is a nation that consists of diverse religious groups that have coexisted in complete harmony and peace for generations. The tolerance and even appreciation for all religions are reflected in our constitution and makes us one of the most moderate, liberal people. The people of different religious backgrounds and faith share a relationship of mutual respect and are free to practice their own religion and culture in Bangladesh. Our Buddhist community practice their religion with full rights as followers of other religions do in Bangladesh. Vesak Day is known in my country as Buddha Purnima or Baisakhi Purnima for centuries and is celebrated every year nationally. Although Buddhists are about 1% of our total population, Vesak Day is observed as a national holiday and special programs are organized to commemorate this day. Excellencies, more than 2,500 years ago, Prince Siddhartha Gautama enlightened us as Lord Buddha, a human being who was born as a human being, lived and died as a human being, found ways to end human pains, sorrows, and sufferings. Unfortunately, many of us have moved away from his core teachings today. Those of us who are actively engaged and committed to establish peace, security, and development, this Vesak Day, therefore, is of special significance, particularly in this transformative year when we begin implementation of Agenda 2030 or the Sustainable Development Goals. Let us renew our collective effort to end violent extremism, to end armed conflicts, to end hunger and poverty, to end misunderstanding and misgivings, to end social and religious discrimination, and to end deprivation and suffering. Let us all pray for peace and strive for the creation of a better world. Thank you.
May I now